Hello guys and welcome to your YouTube channel Finvest USA. In today's video we will see the DeepSeek benefit and how it has outperformed several open source multimodal AI that such as DALL-E or Stable Diffusion, as per the cost comparison it is very cheap than the other models. That is what is globally being said on the social platforms, but it is yet not confirmed. So we will in this video see the benefits of DeepSeek and how it is beneficial than the other GPT models. And before moving on, let's see what Donald Trump says about DeepSeek and its innovation.
DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industries that we need to be laser focused on competing to win because we have the greatest scientists in the world.
As President Donald Trump said, it's a wake up call, and we can clearly see this on the January 27th, day before yesterday, we saw that DeepSeek has already topped the chart on the iOS total downloads, and it is one of the number one free application available on the iOS App Store at the moment. Now let us understand the benefits. So first of the benefits is that you can visually analyze any of the Pythagoras theorem or any theorems that you wish to. So visually it explains how a Pythagorean theorem works. So you can see clearly on the screen how it is working, right? The other benefit is you can build games in multiple languages. So as you can see on the left hand side, DeepSeek R1 code generator, you can build it either in Chinese, Japanese, Mandarin, or any languages that you wish to just by a single click of a button of generate. The other benefit is coding in the Visual Studio platform. So as you can see on the screen on the left hand side, we can give commands wherein on the Visual Studio that what you wish to do, what kind of code you want, and it can on a real time basis can provide you with the codes, and you can implement that directly in the right hand side on the Visual Studio. The other benefit of DeepSeek is that it runs perfectly locally on your phone. As you can see on the screen, we can type in any command on your local phone and it can provide you with the answer. So it is very simple and cost effective. Now, as we see all the benefits before, it is your turn to comment any benefits that you see we might have missed, and how do you see its future comparative to ChatGPT and other GPT models, as well as the cost efficiency and the market crash of Nvidia's. So what is the future of Nvidia that you perceive? So look